Costa Rica contains more biodiversity per square mile than the entire United States. This is just one reason why Costa Rica is recognized as a remarkable country in Central America. In this video, I will show you 10 destinations in Costa Rica that highlight its natural beauty and unique experiences. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel to receive more travel information and tips about Costa Rica and other destinations. Save this video to help you plan your next trip. Let's start with number 10. Each location on this list offers something even more impressive than the last. Number 10. Manuel Antonio National Park. This park is renowned for its diverse wildlife, scenic hiking trails, and beautiful beaches. Visitors can explore both rainforest and coastline within the park's boundaries. The park features pristine beaches and well-maintained rainforest trails. It is possible to walk from the dense jungle directly to the sandy shore in just a few minutes. Manuel Antonio is home to a variety of wildlife, including sloths, monkeys, and numerous bird species. The park is an excellent location for observing animals in their natural habitat. Visitors are encouraged to bring a waterproof phone case to capture the many photo opportunities. The climate is humid, and the scenery is ideal for photography. Number 9. Arenal Volcano. This volcano is known for its symmetrical cone shape and is one of Costa Rica's most iconic natural landmarks. It is an active volcano with occasional eruptions. The area surrounding Arenal offers hot springs heated by geothermal activity, as well as adventure tours such as hiking, zip-lining, and horseback riding. One of the highlights is relaxing in natural hot springs with a view of the volcano. The region is also known for its lush vegetation and scenic landscapes. The hot springs in this area provide a unique spa experience, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature and volcanic activity. Number 8. Monteverde Cloud Forest. This cloud forest is famous for its misty atmosphere, dense vegetation, and rich biodiversity. Walking through the forest offers a unique experience of nature. Monteverde is home to over 2,500 plant species, 400 bird species, and a wide variety of insects. The area is a major destination for ecotourism and scientific research. The Cloud Forest offers zipline canopy tours, which allow visitors to experience the forest from above and observe its multiple layers and diverse wildlife. Visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the forest from the ziplines. The experience provides a unique perspective on the region's natural beauty and ecological importance. Number 7. Tortuguero National Park. This area is accessible only by boat or plane, making it a unique destination for visitors seeking natural beauty and seclusion. Known as the Amazon of Costa Rica, Tortuguero is famous for its turtle nesting season, when thousands of sea turtles come ashore to lay their eggs. Visitors can observe giant sea turtles on the beaches, an important natural event that supports the region's biodiversity. The canals of Tortuguero are ideal for wildlife observation, offering opportunities to see a wide variety of animals in their natural habitat. Number 6. Guanacaste Province Beaches. This region is known for its diverse coastline, featuring both lively and tranquil beaches. From the vibrant atmosphere of Tamarindo to the clear sands of Playa Conchal, Guanacaste offers a beach experience for every preference. Playa Conchal is notable for its sand, which is composed of millions of crushed shells, creating a unique texture and appearance. The region is also known for its beautiful sunsets, which are a highlight for many visitors to Guanacaste's beaches. Number 5. Corcovado National Park. This park is recognized for its exceptional biodiversity and is considered one of the most important natural reserves in the world. Corcovado contains approximately half of Costa Rica's species within a small percentage of the country's land area. The park offers challenging hiking trails and the chance to see rare wildlife in their natural environment. Due to its remote location, visitors are required to have a guide, and there is limited cell service, preserving the park's pristine condition. Number 4. Osa Peninsula. This region is known for its remarkable biodiversity and is considered one of the most biologically intense places on Earth. The peninsula contains some of the most pristine rainforest in Central America, and its beaches are largely untouched, offering a secluded natural environment. The area is renowned for its excellent surf breaks and is also a popular destination for sport fishing. Due to its remote location, amenities are limited, so visitors should prepare accordingly and enjoy the opportunity to disconnect from modern life. Number 3. Rincon de la Vieja National Park. This park features volcanic craters, hot springs, waterfalls, and bubbling mud pots, making it a destination for both adventure and natural beauty. The park offers hiking trails that range from easy to challenging and provides excellent opportunities for observing wildlife. The name of the park, Old Woman's Corner, refers to a local legend, and the area is known for its unique geological features and diverse ecosystems. Number 2. Cahuita National Park. This park is recognized for its compact size and rich natural diversity. The park combines coral reefs, beaches, and rainforest, creating an environment ideal for both relaxation and exploration. Cahuita offers some of the best snorkeling in Costa Rica, and visitors frequently spot sloths and other wildlife in the area. The park has a voluntary entrance fee, allowing visitors to enjoy its natural beauty while supporting conservation efforts. Number 1. The Pacuare River. The Pacuare River is renowned for its world-class whitewater rafting and is consistently ranked among the top 5 rafting rivers globally. Flowing through primary rainforest, the river offers a unique combination of thrilling rapids and breathtaking natural scenery. Along the route, visitors can observe diverse wildlife such as toucans, monkeys, and sloths while navigating Class 3 and 4 rapids. The Pacuare River provides an immersive experience in nature, with unspoiled views and a sense of adventure for all who visit. Costa Rica is a country where the relationship between people and the environment is deeply valued, offering visitors the chance to experience natural wonders and sustainable tourism. Each destination featured in this video highlights the unique biodiversity and landscapes that make Costa Rica a remarkable place to explore. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing for more travel content and updates on incredible destinations around the world. Share your thoughts in the comments about which Costa Rican destination interests you most, and feel free to share this video with others who are passionate about travel. Pura vida, and thank you for watching.